You're here with Shug and Alan.
And today we're going to show you around an interior stateroom 9304 on Carnival Firenze. Is it worth saving some money and getting an interior room, or should you skip it and get a balcony? Let's find out. All right, this is room 9304. There's my helper Shug. Hey. All right, so coming on in. First things first, back in the door, you've got all of your safety information. The muster station for this room is B3. Over here, you've got where you put a little card in there. That's what keeps the lights on. Used to be back in the day, you had to put your room key card in there. Now they just give you that little white card that stays in there permanently. Backing our way up, we've got the restroom over here. You've got your shower, no dreaded shower curtain, with of course your shower gel and shampoo. You got some towels over here. You've got a little vanity mirror that pulls out. You've got some shelves to store some smaller things. Both sides of the mirror. Got a mirror with a light on it. Hello. You got your sink here, and you've got some storage down there. Coming out of the bathroom, I also want to mention too, this is quite a bit of a step down there, so make sure you keep that in mind so you don't trip on your way out. You've got your closets over here. Not a whole lot of storage, but for a shorter cruise, it's good. So you've got this side where you've got some hangers. We've got our suitcase over here. Opposite side, you got your life vests. Of course, if there's an emergency, they always recommend you come back to your stateroom and get your life vest if you're in the area. If not, just head straight to your muster station. You got a safe. Not a whole lot of storage. You can put a small tablet, some of your personal belongings like your passports and such. And a little more storage and some shelves or some drawers down here. If you unpack, put it in the comments below. Do you guys unpack or do you live out of your suitcase? I'd love to hear it. Shug and I go back and forth about that all the time. All right.
Okay, then over here you have your desk, and then you have your stateroom phone. They give you guys all your paperwork. You get to know all the shows, everything that's going on the ship. You have your plugs right here.
Yeah, you got USB, USB-A, you've got US, you've got European, different charging. So you get 2 US plugs, which is cool. A lot of staterooms you've seen only have one. And you got your mirror there. Oh, I also want to throw in on the back side of this closet, you've got a full-size mirror as well to check yourself out before you go to formal night or what have you.
Okay, then right here you have this drawer. Every room comes with a hair dryer.
All right.
You get the little seat right here. This is Alan's workbench.
Yeah, doesn't that look comfy?
I know. And then you have the trash can that's always under the desk. For us, we pull it aside, but they still put it back
yeah,
on there.
It magically appears right back below the desk.
Okay, and then when you swing around over here, you have your TV on the wall. It does not swivel, so it's stationary. You have a few shelves down here, and they always give you guys some pool towels that you must turn in.
Don't keep those, they'll charge you for them. It's usually like 25 bucks a towel.
Yes. Okay, then you have your cooler / refrigerator.
All righty.
We will fully stock that in a little bit.
Yeah, Coca-Cola, Dr. Pepper, and some bottled water. All right, then on the opposite side here, you got your beds. I put in, when I booked it, a king-size bed, and they separated it, so we'll let the room attendant know so he can bring those back together again. And you got nightstands on each side of the bed to store some additional belongings. Let me give you guys a view of the room from the opposite end. This is what it looks like from the opposite side. Okay, so that is an interior stateroom on Carnival Firenze. What did you guys think? Would you book an interior? Do you like the ocean view, a balcony, or you're really bougie and you want to get the suites? You know, for us, we like to mix it up a little bit. So I think our favorite room to book would probably be a balcony. But as long as we're on a cruise ship, we don't care. We'll take any kind of room.
And then you have to think, how often are you in your room?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you sleep in here. Outside of that, you're probably out of your room.
Yes.
Unless you're just here to really relax. But either way, yeah, if you're on a cruise, you're on a cruise. That's our opinion. So thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of our adventures. We post them every single week. So hopefully you guys stay entertained with these. This is more of an informational vlog. Yes. And we've got to thank our members. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate you. You help out the channel, and it means a lot to us. We also want to, of course, thank Rob. We appreciate you. And we will see you guys on our next adventure.
Bye.
Bye, guys.